Welcome to an episode of Cooking Comedy, when today we'll be making ramen noodles. So now let's first open it. Beautiful. And we have our ramen noodles. Lovely. And beef flavoring. Now we're going to plant our beef flavoring. So you want to make a hole maybe 3 inches deep and pour the beef flavoring in. Once you've poured it in 3 inches deep, you want to put the soil back over it, so not too tightly back so it can breathe. And in 1 to 2 weeks, it will have germinated. In a few months, we'll have a bountiful harvest of cows from our beef flavoring. Now water thoroughly, but not too thoroughly. Now once we've done that, in a few months, we'll have our cows planted. Now let's go back to cooking our ramen noodles. Okay, now we have to add the ingredients to our ramen noodles, and because all these weird knife holes and instructions, I'll just improvise. So let's start with milk. Right? That sounds about right for the ramen noodles. Milk. So we'll add a little bit of milk. Delicious. Now after our milk, I figure we should add a little bit of cinnamon. That sounds correct. Delicious. You can smell it. Now, no meal is complete without a few butternut veggie spirals. So we'll put a few of those in here. Delicious. Now, what else might it be in a ramen noodles cooking thing? We could add a little drop of soda. I mean, of course we're going to want some carbonation in our food. Now, let's see what else we could add. This seems about good. Some zesty buffalo sauce from Chick-fil-A. That looks delicious. Now, let's see what else we could find. Maybe a little bit of onion powder might do really good. And then I think we might just be done. So we'll add a little bit of onion powder. Shake it a few times, maybe and for the proportions, guess. And I think that looks about good. Do you think that looks good? I think it looks delicious. Now, you can simply just get our Sam spoon or any metal object you can find. You always want to put a metal object in your food before microwaving it. For safety, of course. That would be